Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Ninja Gaiden for 60 to 120 FPS cutscene upgrade. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and go to files. And as you can see 120 FPS cutscene and 60 FPS version. Download depends on your need. I'm going with the 120 FPS. Select the manual download option and select the slow download option, and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now you just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. So if you doesn't know where the game is installed, then check my video description for this file path. Just navigate to this path and then just drag and drop this assets folder to your game folder. And after drag and dropping this assets folder, you just need to close stuff here and launch the game. And the mod will work without having any problem. And because I already tested and uploaded from a mod owner. So don't forget, well, guys, thank you.